Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable the camera on your lock screen right here. So to do this, actually you cannot remove it completely, but you can disable it so that no one can take your phone and use your camera. So first of all, of course, subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video. And if this will help you, leave a comment down below. So to disable the camera, you basically gonna go to settings. After that, click on screen time and scroll down until you see restrictions and content and privacy restrictions. After this, you can see here allowed apps, and this is the apps allowed on your screen. So basically when you disable camera, then you're gonna you won't be able to click it, as you can see. It's disabled and you cannot actually use the camera, as you can see. So this is the way to do this. There's actually no way to remove this. And yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.